Assalamualaikum and very good morning. For today, I would like to show you how to save title block and insert title block in AutoCAD drawing. Okay, first what you need to do is to create your own title block based on given drawing in the ULEN. Okay, first for today you already have your own title block. You create as a drawing, very simple one, how to create. That's why maybe you already learn how to draw in AutoCAD. Okay, first when you already create your own title block, okay, now first step we need to save this title block first. Okay, how you want to save? You just click V block, then enter, and then will pop up the writing block. Okay, writing block. Okay, first what you need to do is to select the object that means the overall the title block. You just click here, select object, then you just click, and then you drag all your title block ready. Click create. Okay, and then you click enter. Make sure all item already create, include the logo lah. Okay, and then you need to define the base point. Okay, and then I click the base point, and then I select the bottom edge of the title block here lah, and then click. Okay, now you already create your base point and then the object. Okay, and then the last step is you save your title block and at your computer lah. First, now I save at the desktop. I create title block. Okay, and then you save. And then you click OK. Ready save. Now your title block ready save. Then you close your title block drawing. Okay, do you want to save? I don't want to save lah. Actually, if you want to save for next time you want to edit something, maybe you save lah. If you no need to edit something, for example, I already my one already save. Okay, I not save lah, not save. Okay, and then I create a new drawing. How now I want to teach you how you want to insert your own title block inside your drawing. Okay, first you go to layout, and then you delete first your previous layout. Delete, click delete, select and delete, and then you right click at the layout, and then you need to go to page setup manager. Okay, you see you already have one layout one. Okay, you need to modify. Okay, this modify actually you need to define your paper size. Okay, paper size of your layout. Okay, first we select the printer. Printer, you need to select drawing to the PDF, DWG to PDF. Okay, and then you need to select your paper. Your paper, maybe I want to use now is a landscape type paper. That means landscape, the length, the size of the X and Y. X direction is 297, and then the Y direction 210. Okay, for A4 paper lah, that's one. Okay, we just select ISO A4 S10. A3 we select A4 S Pen, this one lah, 297. You make sure you select 297 times 210. Okay, then you click OK. Okay, now now you check. Okay, the plot area is layout. This one you no need to change. The paper type is landscape lah, now already changed. 219, 210, and then you click OK. Then here you just close. Okay, now your margin, the dash line already setting as you given lah. The Y direction, X direction is 297. The X direction now is 210 lah as your setting lah. Okay, now you want to insert your save title block. Okay, how you want to insert. Very simple step. You go to insert and then you go here insert. Okay, insert and then you find your save location title block. Okay, I find my save location. Okay, which file? Okay, I just select. Wait, this one actually. Okay, wait, I select again. Block from library. Okay, this one recent. Therefore, click recent and then you select block from libraries. Okay, and then you just find your location lah. Okay, okay, I just go down. Okay, I already save sample title block. I already saved before. Okay, and I select this one and then open. How you want uh to insert? You just drag this one sample title block already appear here. You just drag here, then you just put inside the margin. If the outside like this, if I insert like this, okay, what will happen now? Okay, I try to print and then you see what will happen. I insert outside the margin area. Okay, for example, I want to print now. Okay, I print now. Okay, print. Okay, and then I click OK. Drawing layout. For example, I put at the desktop more easy and then save. What will happen? You see your title block is not full because your print outside the margin you're setting. Now I want to teach you how to setting the title block inside the margin. Okay, first you just select your title block, select back, okay, and then you click M. M meaning move. Okay, enter. Okay, and then you select the edge. You want to move edge lah. Okay, make sure your margin, you try to zoom in inside the margin line lah. Okay, like this. You zoom in. Okay, like this. Okay, now your drawing already inside the margin. But sometimes you have a problem. Maybe inside, but still outside the line, the border still outside the margin. Okay, if that condition, you need to scale down your title block template. Okay, how you want to scale down or scale up? For example, my one is small than margin size. Maybe I want to expand my title block the until the margin. Okay, how you want to do that? You just simple. You just select all the drawing and then you go to home and then you just scale. Okay, scale. Okay, specific point. Okay, I specific this point. I want to scale. Okay, I want to not copy, but we need to scale this drawing. That means reference. You just click R, then you click enter. Okay, you just okay. Now you just okay reference specific. Okay, one lah. Okay, this one this area lah. I want to expand here to here, for example. Wait, I show again how to scale. Maybe I repeat. Okay, first you click scale, select object, then enter. Specific point, I take this point. Okay, when your specific point, maybe if you want to create a reference, you just click R as a reference, not copy. Okay, and then say specific reference point. Okay, maybe I want to specific here to here. Okay, you just select from the starting point until the end point. That means you will expand or you reskill, scale down or scale up. For example, I want to scale up my drawing until the end of margin size. Okay, until here. This one for example, the small size you want to expand. Maybe I try to expand more than margin like this. Maybe I want to scale down. How I want to scale down? Maybe you have a problem. your draw margin is your title block is bigger than margin. Okay, what you will, I repeat again, how you want to solve that problem. You just select all the drawing, and then you just select scale. Okay, specific point, you just take the edge of the middle, the bottom edge lah. Okay, and then specific skill factor is reference. That means you no need to copy because you want only one the reference. You click R, enter. Okay, and then specific reference length. Okay, specific reference length. You just drag endpoint first and second endpoint. Okay, and then you move scale down lah, which area you want. Okay, for example, inside the margin, you make sure your margin for vertical and horizontal inside the margin. The title block for vertical and horizontal, you make sure inside the margin lah. Okay, for example, here I want to here lah. Okay, for example, inside lah. Okay, this one inside. Okay, if you have extra, it's no problem, but you're still inside the margin. Okay, now we try to print. Okay, print. Okay, print. Okay, print. You just click print. I just preview my print, my title block. Okay, yes, I want to replace. You see now, your title block is already complete. When you print PDF, ready complete lah. That means inside the margin is all the line border you can see when you print. Okay. Now I want to teach you is okay. Better. Okay. This title block you save first. That means this standard for future. You want to use this title block, you just draw anytime. Okay. Anyway, any kind of drawing inside the model, and then from the model we import to the title block. Now you need to save lah, to save your title block template lah. Maybe you want to, I have give you exercise for orthography, isometry. After that you just use this standard title block. Okay, you just save lah this title block. Okay, save. Okay, title block for layout. Layout. Okay. Okay, now, okay, for example, you want to change your information in title block. How you want to change? Easy step, you just double click this title block. Okay, and then you click OK. Sample title block. Okay, maybe you want to change the information here. Prepare, you want to change, okay, change name, for example. Okay, if you want edit lah, this one I just teach you. Okay, name something lah, anything you want to edit, you just double click. If you want to close your editing, you just click here, have one right type. Okay, you just close edit. Okay, you want to save, for example, okay, I want to save. Okay, I already save. Okay, here name something. Okay, now the next step is how you want to import drawing from the model to the layout. This is most important. You want to practice for next exercise. Okay, just select, go. Maybe we have one drawing here. For example, have two circle, something like this. Something you have one drawing. You want to import to title block. How? Okay, for example here lah, you have like this drawing. Okay, and then I put dimension. For example only lah. Okay. Maybe this drawing too bigger. I just scroll down. For example, here I create drawing, circle, circle, for example, and then I click line. Here, and then I put the dimension now. Here to here. Here I put the dimension, for example lah now. Not linear lah, line lah. Here to here. Okay, for example, this circle very bigger. Okay, for example, I create a simple one like this. Okay, for example, lah, you already have a drawing. Now you want to insert to the block. Okay, simple. Okay, okay, very easy. You just go to layout one, and then you click and view, and then enter. You select which area you want. So for example, overall here. Okay, and then if you want to zoom in or zoom out, you just double click. You zoom out lah if you want to bigger. Okay, now you have a grid. How you want to turn off your grid? You just click F7. Okay, now already appear. Okay, already appear your drawing. Okay, I think finish. And then you want to print, you just click print lah. Okay, very simple step. Okay, and then you click print. Then click save. Okay, now you see you already insert your drawing inside your title block. That's all for my video for today. Thank you for everyone who still watching my video. Okay, Assalamualaikum and thank you for everyone.